This is a single Aptolux MP-1 panel. You can treat this video as a manual for how to use your Aptolux MP-1 light panels. The Aptolux MP-1 single light fixture has 4 mounting points. For the most secure, stable and balanced mounting, use the mounting plates that come with the full kit of MP-1. The mounting plates use the Arca-Swiss mounting standard. You can attach the mounting plate on the top or bottom part of the light. Attached mounting plate provides you with additional mounting points, including the most important center point for balanced weight distribution, especially if you use our ball head mount or just mount it on a tripod. The plates themselves have additional holes on the side for safety chains. On the side, you can secure the cord from the AC adapter. The mounting plate also allows you to connect the larger, more flexible folding bracket. When using more than 3 lights horizontally or as a ring light, we recommend using our folding bracket to support the form. For horizontal layout, attach the folding bracket to the most outward mounting plates. For ring light, attach the folding bracket to the mounting plates from the inside. Based on your needs, you can attach ball head adapter or mount straight on the tripod. The highlight of the MP-1 is the way you can join the lights together. To do this, just match up the rotating knobs and turn them until safely fastened. You can join together any of the 4 sides that have knobs. After connecting the panels in your desired shape, you can now connect to the lights an MPF-style battery or the provided power plug. If you join a panel to an already powered-on panel, it might lead to short-circuiting the battery, which in turn will activate the safety fuse. If this happens, just put the battery back in the charger to reset it. Try to avoid touching the metal pins with a metallic object, as this will trigger the safety fuse and you will have to reset the fixture again. We recommend to use 1 battery for up to 2 lights to not drain it too fast. Ideally, you would use 1 battery per light. For 2 or more connected panels, the controls are synchronized. If at some point the synchronization breaks, reset it by removing the battery or power plug. The controls are simple yet effective. To turn on or off the light, just long press the dial. To switch between RGB or bicolor menus, simply rotate to the next screen with the respective controls. A press on the dial activates the respective setting where you can dial in the necessary value you want to change, and then press the dial again to confirm your selection. Double-click it will lock and unlock the menu and the selections. For more information, visit aptolux.com or click the link in the description.